That's how we do it from the ground up. Let me show you. There you go. Walk life in the building. All right, y'all. Here we go. Got a 15-minute video to do. 15-minute walk. You know it's hot and sunny. That sun glaring on me over here, boy. We back in the building. Getting a little thinner. Feeling good. Well, I'm feeling too motivated till I looked at one of my comments and I seen it's my man named William from New Zealand. Auckland, New Zealand. Now that I think about it, I ain't never had somebody ride with me from that far away. All right, William, I just wanted to let you know you in the house with the Mr. Walk Life. All right, y'all. I also got my friend Unc. He been bugging me about it, so about to walk. So one day I'm gonna add him in, get him on with me. Got a little bit of a cold, but walking to help knock it out anyway. So as you can see, we out here today. All right, it's the Walk Life in the building. You want to be on the Walk Life video? Talk to me. There we go. All righty. Have a blessed day. Okay. There you go. Yeah. That's how we do. We get down out here. You know? Feeling good. Can't do all my exercises like I want. I ain't got my cameraman with me again. Like that. But I gotta take advantage of the day, and I really don't want to cheat you, and I don't want to cheat myself. So like I said, I appreciate y'all that's following me from all around the world. You know, I really do. I had no idea the Facebook algorithm doing this thing. You know, my brother-in-law called me from Atlanta. I showed up on one of the 20-minute walks on the channel he was looking at, trying to lose a little bit of his belly fat. So he said I popped up on him. He was unexpected because I didn't tell him. So it was like I said, if you put the work in, Facebook ride with you. You know what I'm saying? You just got to get better at what you do. I try to get a little better with each one. Each video I make. You know? As you can see, I done picked up my pace a little more now. I done lost like 20 pounds last month. So, I don't know where I'm at right now. I give it about 3-4 more days at the most and I'm gonna weigh myself again. You can always go to my Mr. Walk Life channel and see the updates, because I get on the scale like every week or every 10 days to see where I'm at. And just to let you see that this walking be really working, man. And if you've seen me from the beginning, you can tell. You know, I ain't got to really talk you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna talk you, I'm gonna put the work in. And more than that, I'm gonna show you. You know? This way you know you're doing all good. Hopefully you putting them snacks down. That's an everyday battle for me. You know, I be picking up apples to eat. What I had the other day, something weird. Avocados. I've been eating avocados, you know, fresh fruit. I always eat my watermelon. Here we go. She done did a lap now. You see that? Yeah. She done did her lap. She working. Putting that work in. Yeah, I always eat. I like the sweet dragon fruit, them yellow ones. Yeah, them banging. The regular red ones, all right, you know, you can put them on the salad with fruit salad in there. They go good with watermelons, and they go good with regular salad also. But them yellow ones, super sweet, super juicy. You know, I like them. You know, try to find other things to eat on as far as fruits and vegetables. You know, don't just always go jumping eat a candy bar and cheddar chips, man. Don't do it. Don't do it. You know what I'm saying? I know it ain't easy, but it can be done. You know, sometimes I fall off, sometimes I get back on. You know, you got to get up when you fall. That's what my man from New Zealand said. He said we got to come up from the ground up sometime. All right, mate, I'm riding with you. You know what I'm saying? New Zealand in the building. All right, William. You know, motivated me today, man. Got my butt up out here. So I'm doing a 15-minute one just for my man. New Zealand in the house with Mr. Walkman. My man William. Appreciate you, my brother. All right, got somebody ahead of me. You know, hopefully you can still hear me talking. But this is how we do. Try to keep it interesting. I always see that sunlight blinging through. You know, that let you know it's hot out here. But it still feels a little windy. You can tell it's about to be fall. You know, and you don't have to put them sweatsuits on. Get sweaty. Ride with me. If you ain't already putting them on inside, if you walking in the house, you know to put them sweat bags on, sweatsuit on. Start walking with me. The more you lose the weight, the more you pick up the pace. But always remember to walk at your pace, where you feel comfortable. Press yourself. You know, I hate to say it, but I ain't one of them people that can jump all around like them Flo Joe and Walk of Life, Walk at Home lady. They can go. You know, I ain't on their level yet. But we getting there. All right, who we got here? What's your name?
Teresa.
Teresa. All right.
Hi, what group is this?
This is my Mr. Walk Life videos.
Walk Life videos?
Yeah.
How do I find you?
Yeah, let's go to Mr. Walk Life on YouTube.
Oh, Mr. Walk Life. Oh,
yeah,
okay.
That's me. I'm out here all the time.
Walking?
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
Glad to be
I
out here
lost
with
20
you.
pounds, yeah, so I'll be
I'm
walking.
trying to catch up. I'm trying to catch up with you.
All righty. I like that.
Okay, I'll look you up.
All right, I appreciate that.
Yeah, you're welcome.
All
Take
right.
care.
Okay, you
Bye.
too. All right, Mr. Walk Life in the building. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, man, ain't nothing but love out here. There you go. I still got the little gut, but it's going down. I'm going to have a 6-pack next month. I'm going to have a beginning one. I mean, I ain't going to be like, you know, one of them superheroes, but it'll be like Foreman, you know, so all I can tell you is stay tuned. I ain't in no type of shape to take off no shirt. First time I took it off, you'll see it on one of my first videos. I'm a fat, sloppy mess, man. You know, but I had to face it. And I hope that everybody can do that, you know. You know, if you're obese, and all you people that's learning how to walk again, like I've been in accidents, I done had to learn how to walk all over. So the 5-minute videos do help people. You know, they starter kits. So you think what you want, a lot of people be making fun of them, but it's all right. For some that need the help, that's what they need to do. You know, don't be ashamed of where you at. Like I said, when you with Mr. Walk Life, you get in where you fit in at, man. All you girls is overweight. You see baby girl out here walking. Sure. She said, I'm trying to catch up with you. Fine with me. I'm trying to catch up with Flo Joy, the walk lady. So hopefully one day they can pass me the baton and I can run with it. But for right now, all the overweight people like me, you know what I'm saying? Y'all just gotta be like me. Take your time and walk. Lose a little bit at a time. I ain't really in no hurry like that. I'm just trying to do it right. You know what I'm saying? That's the best thing you can do. Take all that pressure off yourself. You know, I gotta be here, I gotta look like this. No, take your time, and when you get there, you there. And when you go to places, you'll feel more confident. You know, I ain't gonna lie to you. You'll feel more confident when you feel like you dress nice and the clothes look fitting on you real good like you like. You know, depending on where your priorities at. I like to be a top-notch fella, so I want to be in top-notch shape. So everything I got on look really nice, like it's supposed to. You know, I want my skin to be clear, and all that. You know what I'm saying? Feel good about yourself, and work out every day. Yeah, we at the 11-minute mark. That's fine with me. Y'all see we getting our walk on? Yeah, walk with Mr. Walk Life, man. You know what I'm saying? Don't cheat yourself. I'm out here. Anytime you want to do a 5, 10, 15, or 30-minute video, pop me on and start walking. You know, first do your stretches, and you press that button, Mr. Walk Life. That means you done already did your stretches and your little eating, and you stepping. 5, 10, 15-minute videos be over before you know it. Before you know it, you'll be doing 2, 3 of them a day. And you'll start seeing the effect. Like you're seeing in me right now. You know, we out here. You know them Walk Life videos, man. Keep it stepping. There you go. All right. Y'all can always go to my videos and I'll give you a little information about the right foods to eat. Next time I'll tell you more about the olive oil and the right one to buy. I ain't gonna tell you about all the other ones not to get. I ain't gonna hate on nobody, you know. So, but I will tell you a good one. So on my next video, you know, you'll get that information. All right, like I say, I appreciate all the people that's riding with me, you know, every day. Keep me motivated. And, you know, on them days I don't really want to go, and I think about y'all, and I'm back out here, you know. So, as long as y'all know, I'm riding with you, even when I get in shape, all the way. I ain't gonna stop riding with you. I don't know how the sun, I can see clear on this view right here. Yeah, I'm still practicing though. One day I'll have better equipment, better editing, you know, be in shape, doing more exercises, and you know, be on the lookout for me. And all you 300 plus pounders, start from the beginning and get in where you fit in. All y'all doing rehab, walking, you know, take one step at a time. A lot of y'all still be in the hospital, so, you know, take your time, like I say. And let them know about the 5-minute videos if you're in there. You come across a Walkman video, let the hospital people know. You know, I'm riding with them too. All right, we almost there. Like I say, a 15-minute one be gone before you know it. Oh, I can't wait to do the jumping jacks and the pull-ups. Matter of fact, let me get the neck exercise in. Here we go. 8, 9, 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10. Yeah, get that neck. Get that neck and that chin. Y'all always remember that. Get y'all neck exercises in. You know what I'm saying? Get that neck and that chin in every time. All right. You know when it's a hot one. That sun beaming. Ain't nobody out here working out. What's up, Mr. Walk Life? Yeah. Much love to y'all. Thanks, William, again. New Zealand in the house. All right, y'all. Peace out.